Good afternoon, everybody. The Irish Demon back with another video. Today we are looking at this really infuriating smug young man. Now, he did some stuff at the Holiday Inn that is not on the brochure, and he got himself in a spot of bother. And having a look at him here and the way he talks, you would swear that butter would not melt in his mouth. But alas, that is untrue. Now, it takes a little while to get going, and this guy will drive you nuts. But man, does he get a rude awakening at the end of this video. Oh, I love it. I had a totally different intro made for this video, and I decided to come back and change it after I actually got a chance to react to the video. So what you're seeing is my live reaction to this video.
All right, this is people of the state of Michigan versus Kylan James. And the charge is unarmed robbery. Let me swear you in. Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give is the truth to the best of your knowledge, understanding, and belief.
Yes, Your Honor, absolutely. I solemnly swear.
All right, and how old are you?
I'm 27, Your Honor.
Do you understand the charge, the penalties, and your rights?
I understand what was laid before me, yes, Your Honor.
Okay. You know, somebody's got to get the spelling of champagne right.
Well, that's easy. S-H-A-M-M-P-A-Y-I-N-E-E. Champagne.
On here.
I can spell it for you if you need, Your Honor.
Well, it needs to be corrected so your mail gets to you. So give me a second here. Do you want
Yes,
me
Your
to
Honor.
go through? Do you want me to go through the charges or the penalties or your rights with you?
Yeah, just so I know I'm sounding clear on them. I will want to go over it with my attorney whenever I hire them. When I get out of here too.
All right, I'm going to do it. Here we go. This felony warrant and complaint charges in honor about June 2nd, 2022. So that's Thursday. In the city of Flint, that you did, in the course of committing a larceny of money, use force or violence against a person present. Leanna Hope Jenkins. This is contrary to Michigan compiled law 750.530. You understand the charge of unarmed robbery?
Yes, Your Honor.
It's a felony. Carries a penalty
Yes,
of up
Your
to
Honor.
15 years in prison. Plus, they take a DNA sample upon your arrest. You understand the maximum penalty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, do you want me to go through your rights with you?
No, I'm clear on those. We don't have to. I don't want to waste your time, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm going to find the defendants knowingly and voluntarily waive the reading of the rights. So what did you said he's retaining a lawyer, is that right? You know who you're hiring at this point?
I'm either going to go with Manley and Manley or Steve Potters. I have an attorney already back home, her name, but obviously she's Illinois, so I'll have to get an attorney here in Michigan. As soon as I get out of here, that's my first call I'm making. I have no other plans but to comply.
Maybe you should have complied with the law in the first place, and then you wouldn't have to comply with what the judge is telling you to do now.
And make this as easy as I can on myself.
We got to verify if it's in person or on Zoom, so hang on.
If it's either or, I'll be there.
Yes.
In person.
Wow. Okay, well, she'll be doing it in person. 8:30
All right,
in the morning,
I will
June
be here.
16th.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will be here at 8:30 in the morning, June 16th. Bright and early. I'll be here at 8
This is
o'clock.
Judge Tabitha Marsh. All right.
Yes, sir.
This might be a good time for you to spell champagne properly.
CHAMPAIGN.
Wrong. Refer back about 4 minutes ago.
Like the drink. So, what's the zip? 618.
My zip code? Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay.
I apologize if it
All
seems
right.
I'm interrupting. It's laggy.
No, it's fine. Now, let's talk about bond conditions.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your bond conditions, you have to personally appear for any examination, arraignment, trial, sentencing, or at any time and places directed by the courts. If you're represented by an attorney, the notices to appear may go to your attorney instead of to you. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have to abide by any judgment entered in the case and surrender to serve any sentence imposed. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're not to leave Michigan without court permission. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're not to commit any crimes while you are released. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor. Very clear.
You've got to notify the court in writing of any change of address or telephone number. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do not commit any crimes while you're released. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor. Very clear. Very clear.
All right. You're not to use any alcohol, marijuana, or illegal or controlled substances. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ooh, that seemed like a bit of a sticky one for you there, bud, because the whole way through you were just like,
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. Very clear. Yes, Your Honor.
then he mentions the old Caribbean cabbage. You're like, yes, Your Honor, I guess so.
You are not to possess or purchase a firearm or other dangerous weapon. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a firearm or other dangerous weapon?
No, I do not, Your Honor.
You sure you're not telling us porky pies there, my friend? Because he just asked you if you had those things and you said you didn't, but you also posted this on Facebook.
You'd be on GPS tether if you got out. Where are you going to tether? Where's he going to tether to if he gets out?
I live in Illinois.
Well, you can't tether to Illinois. Do you have anywhere that you'd be living in Genesee County?
No, I don't. I've been here on vacation, and I live in Illinois. I have no need or ideas of doing anything funny though. Whenever you need me here, whenever you need me for Zoom, anything, I will be here. But I live in Illinois.
Okay, Mr. Skinner, what do you want to tell me before I set a bond for him?
And the only Mr. Dorner for thinking about intending to hire Manley and Manley. I think that's a good idea, Mr. Dorner. Always retain local counsel. That'd be my advice. Anyhow, he indicates he's a student studying aviation, maybe aviation mechanics. Not on probation or parole, has a driver's license. Address on the complaint is current, albeit out of state. He provided us with a phone number, not on probation or parole, 27 years of age. I'm guessing he has a high school diploma. You have a high school diploma?
Yes, sir, I do.
Good man. Okay, so there are a lot of positive things here, albeit it's a serious offense. That's why you should talk to Manley and Manley, Mr. Dorner.
Yes, Your Honor.
A lot of good things. Dude's got a driver's license, likes aircraft, and has a high school diploma. I've got all those things. It's not going to get me out of jail, though.
I will retain local counsel, and anything that my local counsel advises me to do, I will do.
Good idea. Nothing further, Judge.
All right, this is where I'm at on this. He's got an assault and battery that he pled guilty to in Madison Heights last year. May 14th of last year. And got a year of probation.
What date was that?
Yeah,
Judge?
It says May 14th, 2021. So I guess he's off probation as of when this offense occurred. You
It
know,
got
by
drawn
about a
out.
month.
It was, sorry.
So here's
The charge
my
was from
question, Mr.
2000.
Skinner.
Sorry.
The charge is from 2019. I know what you're going to say.
Okay, I'm
I
sorry.
got it.
I'm gonna.
So, Mr.
I'm
Skinner,
sorry.
Mr. Skinner, let me tell you where I'm at. Okay. Does he go to school in Michigan or Illinois?
Illinois.
That's the question. Where do you go to school?
Illinois.
Illinois.
I just love how his like public defender's like, "Aye, where'd you go to school?" Illinois. Judge is just like, right, let's stand up. This is about to get real. I mean, I know the judge said all that horrible stuff he's done in the past, but don't forget, he's got a high school diploma.
Yes, sir.
Where?
Parkland. I go to Parkland in Champaign, Illinois. It's a community college. Parkland Community College
So
in
he doesn't-
Champaign, Illinois.
So he doesn't go to the University of Illinois.
No, no.
All right. Well, here's what I'm not getting, okay? He obviously comes here to Michigan for some kind of reason. You know,
To visit a friend.
2019.
No, okay, just so we're clear, this event that we're here for today occurred earlier last week.
Right, I got it.
Okay,
I got it.
the matter in Madison Heights, I don't know anything about that.
2019, I got it. Okay, I got it. But listen, I like to go on vacation as much as the next guy. All right? And when I do, I really try to mind my manners when I'm out of town because, well, you know, when you leave your own bailiwick, you know, you probably should mind your manners because, you know, you don't know what kind of trouble you can get into when you're out of town. And I'm trying to understand what's going on with this guy who he has an assault case in the next county over. And this is a kind of an assaultive, behavior. I mean, you know, the allegation, did you read the probable cause sheet?
I did, and I tried to pursue some information and let it go.
Well, I'll just tell you what it says.
Is that the face of regret I see? Or is it the face of the person who's trying to drum up as much crocodile tears as possible?
Move on.
I'll summarize it. It's real short. It says he's at the Holiday Inn Express over there on Robert T. Longway. And he went behind the counter, pushed the victim out of the way, and took $600 from the cash register. And this was caught on a security cam.
Now, don't say
I
anything.
I didn't take the $600.
Mr. Dorner,
Shut up, you tart.
Mr.
I'm sorry.
Dorner, don't say anything. You're just digging a hole for you.
So
Sorry.
what I'm trying to understand is, like, we got enough people that cause trouble around here who live here. So why is this guy coming all the way from Illinois to do this? Why is he coming to Michigan
police, sir.
to get into trouble?
I
He
called
doesn't
the
have
police.
anything in Illinois.
Interrupting the judge. That's a bold move, Cotton. Let's see if it pays off for him.
He doesn't have. He doesn't have.
Mr. Dorner, stop. Everything you say is being recorded, okay?
Yes. Yes.
On his lien sheet, he has no criminal activity back home. He acts up when he comes to Michigan. You know, I think, what does the sign at the state line say?
Something about not drinking the water in Flint? That's what's going on.
I don't know, pure Michigan? Great times, Great Lakes?
Been so long, Judge, since I've been able to go anywhere.
I
don't know what.
Well, I can assure you, it doesn't say, come here and act up. Come here on vacation, leave here on probation. There's no sign like that at the state line. I guarantee you. Well, I don't think that there is. There could be. So I don't know what's going on with this guy. I don't know. You know what there are at the state line? There's all these signs when you cross the border about, marijuana. It's like, on all the freeways when you cross into Michigan, dozens and dozens of, maybe that's what he's going on. Maybe he's high when he gets here. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know why either.
Why is he acting up when he gets here, Mr. Skinner?
I have a case number from Holiday Inn. I called corporate before all this happened. I have a case number with my personal property. That's all I'm trying to say. I didn't just reach behind the counter. I called my attorney. I called the police twice. I have it on my phone record. I can bring it. I'm just sorry.
You're not helping yourself.
I'm sorry. I just wanted to know that I didn't just act out. I really tried for 30 minutes to an hour I called corporate. Corporate tried to call their office to tell her to give me my money back, the $150 security deposit. I have proof. I even have a case number with corporate.
Now I'm going to have a wild guess that what happened here is that you were getting kicked out because you wrecked the gaff, which is why you weren't getting your security deposit back. So you decided to reach in and help yourself to it. And I'm going to take another wild guess that your lawyer, the police, and corporate did not tell you that that was a good idea.
He's talking about the particulars of the case.
Well, his lawyer has told him not to, and I can't, what do you want me to do? Tell him to be quiet? I guess you should be quiet.
Sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
How's he doing in school? Well, he's not trying to become a pilot. He's trying to become a mechanic for planes.
No, I'm trying to become a pilot. I've been flying planes. I'm trying to become a pilot. I'm in the aviation program.
Well, they're going to give him a pilot's license with a felony on.
I'm aware, sir. I'm aware. I made a very big mistake here. Instead of just walking away and letting corporate deal with it, I'm sorry.
Yep. But I wonder what happened down in Madison Heights too. There's something. He probably has like a short fuse or something. But he doesn't act up at home. He acts up when he's up here. Let me get it.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
I bet you this woman is scared to death. I could just imagine some guy. I bet you she was frightened of all get out. You can imagine
Sorry.
What?
Did you finish the bond condition?
No, I did finish the bond condition.
Okay.
But I'm about to set the bond. I think he's a flight risk because he's not from around here.
I promise I'm not a
public
flight risk.
safety.
I will come back.
I don't know.
I
Public
promise
safety
whatever
is a
my attorney
concern.
says, I complied with Madison Heights and I will comply with you. It will dig me a deeper hole to not. I swear, as soon as I will have whatever you or my attorney tells me to do, I will be on the day before. Whatever you need from me, I will not be a flight risk. I have attorneys in my family, and I know that being dumb and doing stupid things only makes it worse for myself. I do not want that, Your Honor. I do not want that. If you need me here, I will drive up here. If you need me on Zoom, I will be on that Zoom meeting. I will not go anywhere whatsoever, Your Honor. I swear. I will hire my attorney. I will make all of this correct. Everything. I'm not stupid. I am an intelligent person.
Objection! Clearly that's not true.
And I know that not complying will make things worse for me. I have dogs back home. I have no one to take care of them.
You don't think I'm concerned about your dogs back home, do you?
No, I don't. I don't.
I said that there is a local person doing their job who allegedly got assaulted by you and you taking money on a video.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Talking to me about your dogs is just not doing anything for me.
I'm not trying to.
You're concerned about your dogs. What about this poor woman who's at the hotel? The bond is $9,500 cash for surety. I'm done. You can step out of there.
$9,500?
Yes.
So
You
is
step
that
out,
all
sir.
90?
Thank you.
I need 9,500 in total.
9,500 cash or surety. Step out.
Probably thought she was going to lose her life.
So there we have it. It would seem that acting like a complete asshat in a hotel and scaring the life out of a lady while stealing the money that you say that you own in the first place is probably not a good idea. Looks like you're not going to be flying planes for a living, bud. Maybe cleaning them out. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. This was so infuriating but still fun to make. If you did like it, make sure and smash that like button, comment and subscribe and all that good stuff. And if you'd like to support the channel, consider becoming a member, Patreon, or dropping a tip in the PayPal jar, link down below. I also have some awesome Irish Demon merch linked down below with some special new items for the ladies by popular demand. So we'll catch you in the next one, folks. Slán.